Oh, the moment of truth. How about that? It's still there. It didn't go anywhere since we haven't moved it. So how are we gonna do this? Are we gonna drive them both up, I guess? Like, actually, I guess we have to drive both of them up because I left the trailer at the shop.
Well, here's the thing. Let's get this one up tonight. I don't think we're gonna move all that.
Oh, fuck yeah, we are. Oh, we're gonna have a great time. Gonna move of three engines,
The
a bunch of...
The blue one we have to put together yet.
No, we don't. It's fine. It works.
It doesn't have a mass airflow sensor.
Then we'll find...
There's someone named... that's named something.
Look,
that rhymes
I'm not saying I did it, but if you want to put my name in the sentence just so there's a name to go there, I'll let you do that. Okay, I did it.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
I robbed parts off one car to fix another car, and we didn't fix either car.
Yes. Hence why we're still here today.
Yes. Well, this one runs and drives. We could drive this.
Oh, shit. Well,
Is that a box spring? Getting into boxing now?
yeah.
Let's see if you're,
My bay tit.
that's
Bay tit. Right?
sure.
That's what I say.
That's a contraption and a half.
It actually works.
But how many jump starts will it have in it?
Right now it has 3 jump starts yet from yesterday.
Oh. Hey, we got another problem.
No key?
No.
I didn't put it in there yet.
Nah. It's okay though, because that builds suspense.
Dum, dum, dum.
The viewer needs that. That's gonna be the theme song.
Make sure it's out of gear, which I think I did that already.
Yeah. It's doing nothing. It doesn't acknowledge power. This vehicle does not know what electric... Oh, it's doing things now. Right.
Okay, try it.
Oh, she ain't in a good mood.
Hopefully that's the IAC working.
Uh-oh. I hit the brake pedal and it shut off.
Why'd you do that?
Hit the brake pedal to turn the parking brake.
Start right up.
No, it's not doing that.
It's not doing it?
We have no power.
We have no power.
None. The battery is that dead. I think that battery might have a dead cell.
No, it's just...
When was the last time this car was running?
I hardly drove it anything last year.
But when was we ran it last fall, maybe? No, wait, no we didn't. Oh no, it's sat for a really long time. Moment of truth. Oh no.
Hold on. It made a sparky spark.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Alright, well, we revived it again. I got my better jump box. It's on life support. It's running like shit because all the sensors and the computers completely forgot how it's supposed to idle and what the fuel mixture is supposed to be because the battery's been fucked for so long. What?
Don't want to get too hot.
We'll cross that bridge later. Okay. Make it go brap! Oh, that was a risky brap.
Yeah, it is risky.
We gotta go.
We gotta go. We got flat spot tires right now.
This is what the inside of a 1989 Corvette that runs like shit because it's got a really dead battery is like. With Larry driving.
And a bad IAC.
And flat spots in tires.
Man, you're really flat.
And a bad radiator.
Well, the radiator's good. It's just I want to.
And no radio.
It's radio deleted.
Need to check engine delete it too.
Yeah.
Well, in all fairness, that says service engine soon.
Yeah.
You know,
well,
that doesn't mean now. It
No.
just means soon.
Yeah, it just means.
Oh, and it's gone.
Yeah.
All right.
Self-repairing. It's an Autobot.
Problem solved. Yes. Yes, you should.
Not recorded.
Well, this. That's going to be in the outtakes thing for Statutes of Limitations release next year. Well, your service engine light is probably somewhat related to the battery being dead.
No, it's probably related to the IAC.
Ooh, I didn't like that.
That's IAC.
variable. Oh, God.
Holy shit, I didn't even realize that.
Yeah, it's down to 2 crystals on the fuel